Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. GetLike is a mobile app that allows users to earn money by completing tasks, such as watching videos, installing apps, and signing up for websites. Users can also earn money by promoting their own social media accounts. GetLike is available on both Android and iOS devices. To get started with GetLike, users must create an account and link their social media accounts. Once they have linked their accounts, they can start completing tasks to earn money. For each task that they complete, they will earn a certain number of points. These points can then be redeemed for cash or other rewards. GetLike is a legitimate way to earn money online. However, it is important to note that it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Users will need to put in a significant amount of time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. Here are some of the pros and cons of GetLike. Pros. 1. Easy to use. 2. Available on both Android and iOS devices. 3. Legitimate way to earn money online. 4. Users can earn money by completing a variety of tasks. 5. Users can earn money by promoting their own social media accounts. Cons. 1. Not a get-rich-quick scheme. 2. Users will need to put in a significant amount of time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. 3. Some tasks may be boring or time-consuming. 4. There is a risk of fraud or scams. Overall, GetLike is a legitimate way to earn money online. However, it is important to be aware of the pros and cons before signing up. Here are some additional details about GetLike. 1. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. 2. Withdrawals can be made via PayPal, Payeer, or Bitcoin. 3. The processing time for withdrawals is typically 3 to 5 business days. 4. GetLike has a 24/7 customer support team that can be reached via email or live chat. If you are interested in earning money online, GetLike is a legitimate option to consider. However, it is important to be realistic about your expectations and to be aware of the risks involved. There are many ways to earn money from GetLike. Here are a few of the most popular methods. Completing tasks. GetLike offers a variety of tasks that you can complete to earn money. These tasks can include watching videos, installing apps, signing up for websites, and following social media accounts. The amount of money you earn per task will vary depending on the task. 2. Promoting your social media accounts. You can also earn money by promoting your own social media accounts on GetLike. When someone clicks on a link to your social media account from GetLike, you will earn a small commission. 3. Referral program. GetLike also has a referral program that allows you to earn money when you refer new users to the platform. For every person you refer who signs up and completes a task, you will earn a commission. The amount of money you can earn from GetLike will depend on how much time and effort you are willing to put in. If you are consistent with completing tasks and promoting your social media accounts, you can earn a decent amount of money each month. However, it is important to be realistic about your expectations. GetLike is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will need to put in a significant amount of time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. Here are some tips for maximizing your earnings on GetLike. 1. Complete as many tasks as possible. The more tasks you complete, the more money you will earn. 2. Promote your social media accounts. The more people who follow your social media accounts, the more money you will earn from the referral program. 3. Refer as many people as possible. The more people you refer to GetLike, the more money you will earn from the referral program. If you are looking for a legitimate way to earn some extra money online, GetLike is a good option to consider. However, it is important to be realistic about your expectations and to be aware of the risks involved. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.